So I did go through and bled the system. I bought one of these by OEMTools. It's called a one-man brake bleeder kit. And I bought it because what it says, one-man brake bleeder. And I'm all by myself this week, so I thought that would be a good thing. When I got it though, I was a little concerned or skeptical because it does not have a check valve in it. What it instructs you to do, it comes with adapters, and you put the adapter into the brake bleeder screw, and you put a little bit of fluid in the bottom of here, and there's a tube in this adapter, it goes to the bottom. So you put a little fluid in the bottom so it can't suck air back in. And then you stick this magnet up against the sheet metal on the inside in the fender well and hold it above the bleeder so all air will go up. And their instructions are just pump the brakes 3 or 4 times and make sure that there aren't any air bubbles in the tube, and you should be good. Now, my next challenge was though that I really wanted to flush as much fluid out as I could. And so I suctioned out the reservoir of the master cylinder for the rear brakes, filled it with fresh fluid, and then I was concerned, like I say, without a check valve, whether or not this tool would work. But it actually worked very, very well. I mean, it took me a number of times. This right rear is the furthest one back. So I'd pump it 3 or 4 times, and I would see that the bottle was filling up. When it starts getting close to the top, you need to empty it, take some of that fluid out, get it back down to about a ½ inch or so, and then go do it again. And I think I probably filled and emptied this bottle 3 times, maybe 4 times. So it was pumping the fluid, taking it out of the reservoir, sending it downstream. I released the brake fairly quick, apply it slowly, release it quickly, and on the release stroke, it was drawing from the reservoir instead of trying to pull it all back through the system. And so it seemed to bleed out perfectly clear. I got a lot of fluid through without having to open and close the bleeder every time I pushed the pedal. I went across to the opposite side when that brake was finished and did the same thing over there, again, until the fluid in the tube was clear, indicating that I had pumped fresh fluid all the way from the front to the back and cleared out the system. So, simple fix, worked really well.